I'm a little bit down with, I don't know if it is malaria or fever, but whatever it is, I do not want it to get me down. Okay, so I bought malaria tablets, or yeah, malaria tablets yesterday. I'm a test of gel. I want to go make a tiger nut drink, so let's go and make our tiger nut drink. I'm looking cute this morning, right? Today is Sunday, by the way. I'm looking cute, right? Good. I just finished making the tiger nuts, and I'm tired. It's not easy. So now, what all I want to do now is to watch some movie, then sleep. Guys, I'm just fighting myself. Like, I'm just trying to fight this sickness, because this year I promised myself that it will not be like last year, when I was being lazy around. So this year I want it to be productive, and I want to achieve something, either from my YouTube, from my Instagram, or from my TikTok, or from anywhere. Okay, I do not want to be lying down this and this. No. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed tigernuts video, or the process of making tigernuts. I use banana, I use clove, I use dates, I use ginger. I didn't peel off the back of the ginger. I use coconut, and I use tiger itself. That is 6 ingredients: cloves, dates, ginger, coconut, banana, and tigernuts. So yeah, see you on my next video. And before you go, please do make sure to hit on that subscribe icon, click on that post notification to keep you updated, like, share, and comment. I know you guys will be hearing the sound of the gen. Please bear with me, okay? There is no light, and I needed to use the gen to finish the process of the tiger shenanigans. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you all on my next video. Bye.